Hello, welcome to the Integrity Talk Show. My name is Shubham Agarwal from the Learning and Development team. Here we have Ms. Tanvi Chauhan, who has been the Assistant Manager at Integrity since the past 5 years. Welcome to the show, Tanvi.
Thank you, Shubham. Thanks for calling me here. It's a privilege to be the part of this platform.
So we would like to know, Tanvi, about how your journey has been, the challenges that you faced, the accomplishments that you had. So, we'd like to know everything about you. Let's start from the beginning. How has your journey been from day one till now?
Journey in Integrity from the day one till now, it was like more of a roller coaster ride. If I remember the day one, I joined as a normal associate. I finished up my induction and a normal training was given to us. Then after proper mentoring, we were given our own client to work on. So that is also a unique experience to be live with the CPA client, to be live with US people. It was really my first time experience at that moment. And as the day passed, my performance was good on my first client. And then after 2 years, I've been given additional responsibility to train people. So by training the people, I've been promoted as a TL. And later on, I was having a good bunch of people, a good bunch of team to look after, and very good feedbacks from the client. So I've been promoted as an assistant manager.
That's great. That's good to know. So, since you have been in this field of accounting since so long, since the start of your journey, what prompted you towards accounting? How did you find accounting to be a calling?
I will be honest in this, from the day start, if I look back to my articleship experience and later on to in Indian industry, I was mostly involved in accounting work. So that has been my core from this very start. So after joining in Integrity, I stick to my core. I believe that if anyone wants to build a career, they should stick to the core and then build an empire on it. It will be a good from start to end if they stick to their basic domain.
Yeah, as you said, in addition to having a basic knowledge of all the domains, but in your career, if you stick to one particular domain and then go forward with it, you are going to reach greater success rather than jumping from one domain to another. That's really true. Yes.
That's specific my belief.
So Tanvi, you have been acting as a guide and mentor of almost 50 plus employees who have been under your team. What motivates you towards that?
I believe that, and here in Integrity, I have feel that the mentorship flows from the top to the bottom. I will share one very beautiful experience of mine so far. In my first AGM, Shalin sir was addressing the audience and he told everyone to stand up, and we all stood up. Then he told us to take one vow that believe and you have to work as in client is your first love. And we were shocked at that moment. Seriously, we have to take this vow. For sure, my husband going to kill me for this. But yes, we took that vow, and that saying, it's still with me so far. It is in our blood now. We treat client as our first love, and we do all the efforts to maintain that relationship. Means again in the second AGM, we all were curious that now this time what Shalin sir will address us. He explained us the importance of customer service. So he told that we are not working in accounting industry, guys. We are working in customer service. Focus on delivering your best service to your CPAs. And that again added a value. In the third AGM, the same curiosity was there in our hearts that what will come up next. He came with a beautiful saying that treat that means like client is your Krishna and you are Arjun. You have to ask that important questions to your client, maintain that master and teacher relationship with your client. That will be very useful in delivering your best to your CPAs. So all this saying flowed from Shalin to us till now, and the same I mostly make my efforts that I pass on this saying to my teammates and create that environment, create that culture which gives us that ability to give the best service to our CPAs.
So you're right, Tanvi. What sets apart a manager from a leader is the motivation that a true leader provides to his employees. And you have acted incredibly on that part. You are a true leader by inspiring your juniors or the colleagues that you work with to achieve better results in life, whether it's professionally or in personal levels. Commendable, that is.
Thank you for these words.
Can you take us through the different roles and job profiles that you at Integrity here are undertaking?
Sure. So, as I've told before, that the person should stick to the core. So, I apply on my own self. I work on my own client, because by that I make sure that I am daily upgrading. I am stick to the client. I am stick to the work. Along with that, I'm managing the team as well. So it is like, stepping into the shoes of employees and management both. It is a tough part, but it's like I'm giving my best efforts to maintain that. And third role, it's mostly in training side. I believe, and even Integrity have the trust on me, that it's like whatever I have gained since last 5 years, I should deliver it to others. It's more like creating your own replicas. So my major efforts are building the content, building the training content, and training the new joiners.
I mean, for sure. I mean, imparting knowledge would only add to your knowledge. I mean, and it's great. I mean, whenever you know for a fact that you are passing on your knowledge to someone else, it does add on to you as well. So that's great.
Very true.
So you have also been appreciated by your clients a lot. I mean, that is known well over the organization, that few clients have really showered upon praises upon your work. So can you give us a few examples of those, please?
Yes. So in client appreciation, all the work we do, client gonna appraise it, because they are very humble in their nature. The appreciation comes in the form of money, it comes in the form of gift vouchers. So I remember at the day of my marriage, my client gave me a gift voucher that whatever you want to purchase, you can purchase of it. So I purchased a gold coin. So that memory is still with me. And along with that, Integrity also give us additional amounts when we are doing a good work. So it is taking a dual advantage of your work. It is fun, and we love that.
So more than the monetary benefit of it, the satisfaction, that feeling of satisfaction
Very
that you are deriving, that your work is being appreciated, that is all the more special. I think those memories, that gold coin, the memories associated with that gold coin would be more special to you, I think.
Yes,
right?
yes. The appreciation, I agree with that. The appreciation in the form of monetary, plus it gives the inner peace that we have really delivered the good work. So sometimes client post our profile in their website. It's good, it's wonderful, right?
Nothing better than that, yeah. Tanvi, from what we know about you, you had been working in Integrity since a very long time, but for some part in the middle, you had shifted to some other company, and then the most surprising part is you actually rejoined Integrity back. So can you take us what was on your mind, what prompted you to shift and then come back to Integrity again?
Honestly, I'm running from this question, but I will love to answer this. It's like a mentality of everyone. If we get a better opportunity, we would shift. So carrying that same mentality, I shifted to another organization, but I really felt that the employee engagement activities that Integrity carry, the dynamism of the work, the clients which we handle, that type of empowerment is not available at the other place. So that pulled me back here, and you won't believe, within 4 months, just 4 months, I rejoined Integrity. And I really felt that this is the place where I really want to continue because of everything which I have told. It's like environment, it's work, it's the culture. And here we believe, everyone believes that we are one family. So this is our second home. So that culture, it's pulling me back here and keeping me motivated to stay.
I agree with you on that fact. Like, people who are watching this, integrity is almost at the level of the big four or at the large MNCs, but the work culture around us is completely like that of one big family. All of us here at Integrity, we feel like one big family, right? Ranging from the top management to even the juniors. You will find no hierarchy here. It's complete, like you can be complete contact, transparent with each other, and that is what we genuinely love over here.
Yes, there is a work hierarchy, but not in actual sense. Everyone is reachable.
Yeah. So can you take us through your future goals, your vision for your growth here at Integrity, and how do you plan to achieve that?
My goals and planning are very much similar to the vision of Shalin and Valay. So I will stick to the work which I do, and I will carry on creating my own replicas in my team. Along with that, my main motive is to build a very good training content which is easily accessible to the new joiners in our industry. So that what is Shalin and Valay is expecting from me, and I am really working towards it, and surely I will achieve that.
There is no doubt about it that you are going to achieve the goals that you have envisioned pretty soon. You have proven time and again to be an asset to this company, and all of us at Integrity are proud that we have you with us.
Thank you.
So as we are nearing the end of our segment, Tanvi, before we let you go, I'd just like to ask you one thing. If you have one piece of advice for the viewers of this show.
Advice, I truly have that. Guys, understand the sincerity of work. By your work, you're actually representing India. We all love when cricket team wins, means our Indian cricket team wins up the game. Like India, that's what we are doing. This is for every person working in Integrity and also every person working in outsourcing industry. You are actually representing India, because that people, the US means or whichever country you are working in, will carry that mindset, will carry that impression that how these Indians are working. So it is a big job, right? So understand the sincerity of it. Do your best. Your smallest inputs will make a big difference in this industry.
As you rightly said, and that was very insightful, that when you're working in the service industry especially, being customer oriented is a must, and also you need to give your best to the work, which you have correctly done since the past 7-8 years now. So thank you, Tanvi, for joining us. We greatly appreciate you sharing your time and your wisdom with us. I'm sure the viewers felt great to share your knowledge and the motivation with which you impart to everybody. So thank you and thanks a lot.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
So as we all know, no highs come without lows, and I'm sure during your time period in the work that you have had so far, you must have faced some challenges as well. So what were those challenges and how did you overcome those?
Challenges, surely, as I've said, that Integrity has been a roller coaster ride for me. Yes, I have been through lows. It's like in regards of work, when there were times when I've been blank that what to do next and how to overcome certain things. But that moment, my mentors, my manager are always there. They always keep on giving us advice that next this would be your step. And mostly Shalin sir and Valay sir, we have always been in personal touch with them. So they share their expectations, they share how to achieve those too.
Thank you for joining us, Tanvi. All of us, the viewers of this talk show and the company at Integrity, all of us are very thankful to you for sharing your wisdom and your knowledge with us. It has been a great show. I'm sure they find it very enriching to share a piece of your mind. Thank you for that.
It's been a pleasure being in Integrity. It's really, I feel fortunate to be the part of this big organization, and thank you for calling me, Shubham.
Very welcome. This brings us an end to the Integrity Talk Show. We hope you found this session interesting and enriching. In case you have any questions for Tanvi or any of us at Integrity, do drop them in the comment down below. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, see you next time.